easy does it. Sandy can't wait any longer. He wants to hear the cold start. Let's move it up a bit. All right. Go ahead. I'll let you do the honors. Go ahead. Go ahead. We're ready. Oh, come on, man. Honestly, I've heard thousands and thousands of bikes, and I'm not just saying this. It's the best sounding pipe.
It's the initial bar.
It just, and on a highway. Oh my God. I can't wait to hear yours. So you already showed everybody.
Yeah, it's a SAWICKI.
SAWICKI.
I've seen it on Blockhead's video.
Right.
And it looked wicked.
Nice.
It great as well.
It looks awesome. There is Mr. Holy Shift. Check out his channel. Make sure you subscribe. He's got the Lowrider ST. He's doing a 30-30 cam in it. No. And he's doing a SAWICKI 2-into-1 pipe, all stainless steel, start 30-30 cam. This thing is gonna rock, man. I can't wait to hear it. That thing just blop, 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 blop. Oh. Wearing my gauntlet gloves. Love these. Indy Ridge, www.indyridgeusa.com. Got the Crutchfield boots on, the black with the tan bottoms, ventilated. And it is a little chilly today, so I'm not using the motorsport gloves, using the gauntlets. These are awesome. And like I said, they work with your phone. Use code Fanatix10. Get your discount, man. The boots and gloves are top notch. Oh, baby. Look at that thing, huh? Yeah. That thing is going to sound sick. Traction control light on, which I don't care. Doesn't bother me. But I might just put actually a little tiny sticker over the gauge and call it a day. No big deal. I'm not going to pay anyone to remove a light that I don't even have RDRS on the bike, so it doesn't matter. That's a camera.
Oh, I thought you were talking to the guy behind you.
No. How you doing? Good.
Nice day to ride, I guess.
You ride? You ride too? No?
I did once.
Time to get back on one. Time to get back on the saddle.
I'm too old for that.
Nah, you're never too old.
I guess so. Beautiful bike.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Go up to the lakes here in New Jersey. Maybe check out Greenwood Lake. Running good again today. Crisp out. A little chilly. About 49 degrees. Sandy's getting froggy again. Some of you guys been commenting about how kind of always ride in the upper RPM range. Yeah, I'm really not riding from like 1,000 RPM to like 2,500. Where I like to ride is probably about 3,000 to like 4.5, because you know you got power in every gear just in case you know, you got to do some emergency maneuvers and stuff like that, the bike sounds good. I don't like to, like this, you know, this is still okay, but there's no reason to be in fifth now because you're just lagging the bike, you know. This is where I like it, right here. But obviously for a long trip, you know, you're barreling down a highway for hours and hours and hours. Yeah, of course, you want to keep those RPMs as low as possible, not only for fuel consumption, but just to quiet down the sound so you don't go crazy and ears ringing too much. This is Greenwood Lake right here. It feels like a cold fall day today, guys. Who here has ever had a boat? Tell me down below in the comment section, isn't it probably one of the biggest money pits they could possibly have? It's absolutely crazy. I used to have a boat many years ago. I don't know, probably about, I'm gonna say close to 20 years ago maybe, here on the lake. I probably had it for like 2 seasons and then just got rid of it. Didn't get enough use out of it, and it's just, like I said, a money pit. Stuff breaking down on the boat. The marina's expensive because you gotta have a place to park it unless you're going to remove it in and out every time you use it, which is a huge pain in the ass. Always stuff breaking on the boat. Expensive gas on the water. It's like one thing after another. I'll stick to motorcycles. Now we're on the New York State side, so it's like I said, I don't know if it's cut directly in half. Half of it's in New Jersey, I guess, half of it's in New York. And there's a lot more happening here on the New York side. You guys should definitely come check this out. Greenwood Lake in New Jersey or New York. A lot of stuff happening in the summertime. So like some of these marinas even have restaurants attached to them. And there's a nice little restaurant stop where a lot of people stop during the summer on their bikes over here. Emerald Point. I don't know if they're open. Let's see. So it's pretty cold. I don't know when they open, but definitely you should check this place out, Emerald Point Restaurant. So you got the restaurant with the...
Remember we ate here, John?
Yeah. You got the restaurant with the gazebo right there, and then you got the lake, and this is pretty much where it kind of starts at the northernmost point, and then I think it goes down 9 miles into New Jersey. You got one brave soul in the water. It's supposed to be warmer later. Beautiful house right there. Sandy's gonna go diving in a second.
On the next video for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm Sandy, watching Holy Shit.
Beautiful area, huh? So still debating that 21-inch wheel. Like I told you guys in the previous video, I don't know. I do like how it looks. I do like how it's set up, but I just think the 21-inch wheel is going to look so much better. And as far as performance, I'll sacrifice a little bit of performance, maybe. I don't even know if I will. You might notice it on the track, but not riding around. Ridden around on a lot of CVOs with 21-inch wheels, and they ride nice, they ride fine. I really don't see any problems as far as handling goes, but I think the 21-inch wheel is just going to fill that space in a little bit better. So we'll see. Other than that, got the gauges, love the gauges, love how they came out all black. This is the last thing right here. Black mirrors, need the black mirrors. And maybe, now that I'm looking at it, maybe the center console, maybe. It just never ends, huh? Maybe the center console. And then it'll be like all black on the top and just keep the chrome vision on the bottom. So we'll see. Let's go get a cup of hot Joe.
It's a blast.